Thinking about getting into stand-up paddle boarding but don't want to spend a fortune on your first board? Today, we're reviewing the Roc Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard 10 feet 6 inches, one of the best-selling inflatable SUPs on Amazon. It features a wide stable design, non-slip comfort deck, premium accessories, and is designed for both adults and youth. Whether you're planning lake adventures, beach vacations, river paddling, yoga sessions, or casual fitness, this paddleboard promises stability, portability, and fun right out of the box. But is it actually worth buying? Let's find out. The Roc 10 feet 6 inches inflatable paddleboard is designed to make paddleboarding accessible for almost everyone. Unlike traditional hard boards, this inflatable SUP packs into a backpack, making transportation and storage incredibly easy. Its extra-wide platform provides excellent stability, giving beginners the confidence to stand, balance, and paddle comfortably while also offering enough versatility for intermediate riders. It's suitable for lakes, calm rivers, bays, and coastal waters, making it an excellent all-around recreational paddleboard. One of the biggest advantages of this board is its wide and stable design. The generous width helps improve balance, making it easier for first-time users, kids, and families to enjoy paddleboarding without constantly worrying about tipping over. The non-slip EVA Comfort Deck provides excellent grip, even when wet, improving safety and comfort during longer rides. The board uses durable military-grade PVC construction designed to withstand regular outdoor use while maintaining rigidity when properly inflated. Despite being inflatable, it feels surprisingly solid on the water once inflated to the recommended pressure. The Roc paddleboard also comes with a complete accessory package, making it ready to use straight out of the box. Included accessories typically feature an adjustable paddle, high-pressure hand pump, safety leash, removable center fin, travel backpack, and a waterproof phone bag, eliminating the need for additional purchases. Inflation and deflation are straightforward, allowing users to set up the board in just a few minutes. Its lightweight construction makes carrying the board to the water easy, whether you're heading to a nearby lake or traveling on vacation. On the water, the Roc SUP delivers exactly what most recreational paddlers want: stability and confidence. The board tracks well for casual paddling, remains stable while turning, and provides enough deck space for beginners, pets, or light gear. The comfortable deck also makes it suitable for yoga, stretching, fishing, or simply relaxing on calm water. Because it's inflatable, it absorbs small bumps from waves better than many rigid boards, making the ride comfortable for new paddlers. Whether you're exploring a quiet lake, paddling along the shoreline, or enjoying a family outing, the Roc performs reliably across a variety of recreational conditions. So, is the Roc Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard worth buying? If you're looking for a beginner-friendly SUP that's portable, stable, and comes with nearly everything you need to get started, this is one of the best values available. Its wide stable platform, non-slip comfort deck, durable inflatable construction, and complete accessory package make it ideal for first-time paddleboarders, families, travelers, and casual outdoor enthusiasts. While experienced paddlers looking for maximum speed or racing performance may prefer narrower performance boards, the Roc excels as an all-around recreational paddleboard that's easy to transport and fun to use. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or current discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews of outdoor gear, camping equipment, water sports accessories, and adventure products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.